Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can create or how you can make a block in Notion. So a block is basically a set of information. It can be text, it can be picture, video, or document. So in order to create a block of information, or in order to simply create a block, all you have to do is you have to double click anywhere on the empty area. So I double click here, and as you can see, this line starts blinking, and this indicates that now we can create a block. So if you want to create a text block, simply enter your text and simply enter all the text that you want to add, and your text block will be created. But let's say I want to create a picture block. I want to add a picture. So in order to add a picture, you get this button, you click this button, and you scroll down and you get images. You click on it and you can upload your images. And I'm going to show you how an image block looks like. So I select this image, and as you can see, it has added this image. So this is how you can create a image block. And the same goes for videos, documents, and as I already told you, text. So this is how you can create a blog in Notion. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.